In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comments to your Wix website. Adding a comment section can be a great way to engage with your audience, create a sense of community, and encourage feedback or discussions directly on your site. Whether you're running a blog, an online store, or a personal portfolio, having a way for visitors to leave comments is a powerful tool to enhance user interaction. The best part, it's straightforward to set up, and I'll guide you through every step to make the process as simple as possible. So let's jump in and get started. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Wix account. Head over to wix.com and enter your account credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Wix Editor. This is where all the magic happens. It's the tool you'll use to customize and design your site. If you're managing multiple sites under your account, make sure to choose the one you want to add the comment section to from your list of sites. Take a moment to confirm that you're working on the correct site, as this will save you time later. Now that you're inside the Wix Editor for your chosen site, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll see a vertical panel filled with tools and options. Locate and click on the plus icon, also known as the Add button. This is your gateway to adding new features and elements to your website. Clicking on this will open a menu where you can explore all kinds of options to customize your site further. Next, scroll down in the Add menu until you see the social category. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. This section is specifically designed for integrating social features and tools into your Wix website. It's the key to adding a comment section that connects directly to your social media. In the social section, you'll notice a list of platforms and options. From this list, select the Facebook option. Facebook comments are a popular choice for websites because they allow visitors to leave comments using their existing Facebook accounts, which makes the process seamless and user-friendly. Plus, it connects the conversations on your site with your Facebook page, boosting engagement across platforms. After selecting the Facebook option, you'll see a variety of templates for the comment section. These templates are pre-designed to match different styles and layouts. Take some time to browse through the options and choose one that complements the overall design of your website. Picking a template that aligns with your site's aesthetic will ensure that the comment section feels like a natural part of your site, rather than an afterthought. Once you've chosen your template, it's time to name the new page where the comment section will appear. To do this, look for the option to add a page name. Click on it and type in the name you'd like to use for this page. For instance, you could call it Comments or Discussion Board. Whatever makes the most sense for your site's purpose and audience. Now comes an important step, linking the comment section to your Facebook account. To do this, you'll need to enter your Facebook page ID. This step connects the comment section on your site to your Facebook page, ensuring that all comments flow seamlessly between the two platforms. If you're unsure how to find your Facebook page ID, you can locate it in the settings of your Facebook page. It's usually a string of numbers that identifies your page. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Saving ensures that all the work you've done is applied to your site and ready to go live. Once you've saved, your Facebook-powered comment section is officially set up and ready for visitors to use. And that's it. You've successfully added a comment section to your Wix website. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.